Let's practice. Fill in the blanks using his or her. She is a dancer. Her sari is green. He is a doctor. His coat is white. He is Chinu. He is playing with his teddy bear. She is Dipti. She is playing with her doll. He is Mukesh. That is his house.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.